All right. I don't have much counter space, so working with what I got. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Erica, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you guys how I make green juice in the blender. So if you're interested and want to know how I make it, keep on watching. What you're gonna need, I got this from Walmart. It was like $10. It's kind of like the Ninja thingy. It comes with this, or you can use a regular blender, whichever one you have would be best. But since I'm only making 1 cup, I just use this little thingy right here, and it was like $10 at Walmart. So you're gonna also need, I don't know what this called, like a little, I don't know, girl, whatever this is, you're gonna need this, and a cup to put it in. So let me push this over here to the side. Well, let me put it back here. So you're gonna need a lemon, cucumbers. I buy the small cucumbers, just so only because it has a bag and I only need 1. I don't need like this huge cucumber. Celery, a green apple. I made this juice yesterday already, so I already used half of this apple, so I'm gonna just use the rest of this. Half an apple, and baby spinach. I actually never had kale before, so I will not be using kale in my green drink. That's just my preference. If I ever try it, I won't knock it until I try it, but yeah, I just decided to not use kale. I want to use stuff that I will actually eat. Never really had kale, so I'm like, I'll just use spinach or whatever. So to each his own, whatever you want to use. Those are the ingredients. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these up, and then we're going to put it into the blender. Alright, so I already cut the cucumber, celery, and the apple up on this plate here. Now I'm gonna take the organic baby spinach. You only need a little bit. They say that it's already ready to make, but to serve, I just have a habit of rinsing stuff off, so I'm just gonna rinse mine off anyway. So we're gonna rinse that off. Stuff this in the cup. Want to get all of it in there, so you just stuff it down in the cup like that. Then I am going to also put all this in here as well. After this is in here, you just want to stuff everything inside the blender. Then I am going to cut this lemon in half. Try to get as many seeds out as you can, because when you squeeze it, you want to make sure all of it is like going inside of here. We're just going to squeeze as hard as we can. At the bottom right there, you just need a little bit, not much, and then you're gonna fill the rest of it with water, whatever type of water you like. I'm gonna fill it up with water, and place this on top. that right there. Then so after you done blend that up really good, that's when you will go in with a different type of cup. Whatever cup you can fit this in, I would definitely, this just works for me and it's something that I have. And so therefore, if you like pulp in your drink, then this will be perfect for you. But I don't like no type of pulp or anything in my drinks, so I use, I don't know what this is called, but I got it from Publix for like $10, and it fits perfectly in this large measuring cup. So I'm gonna just show you guys how we're going to do this. So you're just gonna pour all of it inside of here. And you have to pour a little bit at a time. I had made a mess, but you will pour all of it in. And I would just use my hand. I mean, it's my juice, so. And I wash my hands anyway, but you see how like when you squeeze it, all the juice is coming out and none of the, oh, I hope the pulp didn't get in there. None of the pulp is like going in. And I'm just, my hand works a lot better because I can like mush it and get all the juice out. So yeah. And then this is the stuff right there. All that good green. So afterwards, I am going to, store this for like 3 days in the, can you see me? Okay, you can store this for like 3 days in the fridge, and yeah, that's how you make your green juice. And this stuff gives you like a lot of energy. Like when I drank it yesterday, I was like bouncing off the walls, no lie. But it was really good. I mean, not in taste wise, but it's healthy for you, good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so therefore you will be notified every time your girl upload a video. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.